This is a Master Lock Model 570. It is an aluminum padlock with a 5-pin cylinder that has 5 spooled security pins in it. And this is the Covert Instruments Slim Tickler set. But I've also added my normal riv pick into this because it was a Slim Pickings before it became a Slim Tickler. Basically, the Slim Tickler is just the Slim Pickings, but with a Riz pick instead of a riv pick. Anyway, to open this lock, I'll be using the 40 thou 3-in-1 turner and the McTickler profile on the Riz pick. Holy shit!